Welcome to Cooking with Tommy. I'll be making a shrimp dish today that it correlates to Vietnam because Vietnam is geography right on the ocean, so shrimp, ocean, they go together, you know? Kind of like peanut butter and jelly. Let's get started. This demonstration right here will not only inform you how to cook, but also about the cuisine of Vietnam. Let's get ready to rumble. Go Mapes. Pause that. So right now we've already started, we got the shrimp all prepared. We're just getting this zesty sauce ready, you know? Okay. We're gonna add some vinegar. Bam. Now what else? We're gonna get some ketchup in there. This is what adds some texture and some flavor, you know? Got that. In Vietnam has three main regions. Those regions share a couple things in common, which would be their freshness of the food. Everywhere is fresh. In all their dishes, they have the presence of herbs and vegetables, and they also serve broths and soups with many of their meals. But those regions, they differ tremendously. Did I mention what the regions were?
Yeah, you said.
Okay. We can add this. In the northern Vietnam region, colder climates limit the production and the availability of the spices. So it makes their dishes tend to be less spicy and less bold in any particular flavor than those of the central and southern region, let's say. Northern Vietnam is very, they're a seafood friendly place. They love their seafood. They're very crab centered, shrimp, as we're doing right now, oysters, anything from the freshwater. Freshwater fish, crustaceans, mollusks, anything. Fish sauce, soy sauce, prawn sauce, and lime are among the main. Fish sauce, soy sauce, prawn sauce, and limes are among the main flavoring ingredients to these different dishes. Let me go over here, get my ingredients. Back to cooking. Right here, we've got sriracha. This is what gives your stuff the kick. We're gonna add some of this to our secret sauce. Add some of that. Central Vietnam is a very mountainous terrain and is known for its spicy food. Also, its food is highly decorative and very colorful. They like to be showy with their food. Unlike this right now, but this will be showy. You know it. Gucci Mane. Also, Central Vietnam has been influenced by its royalty there, with royal dishes and such. Chili peppers and shrimp sauces are among the most frequently used ingredients in Central Vietnam. Some Vietnam signature dishes produced at this region are bun bo hue and ban xiao. Delicious. Okay, what am I adding now? 1 teaspoon of sesame. So I need a half teaspoon. Okay, let's go back to cooking. Now we're adding the sesame oil to the secret sauce. Just throw some of that in there. Get that open. Put the hizao. Need some cornstarch, just a little bit, nothing too great, you know, just give it that texture, give it that hold. Oh, shit. You want that much? You got the cornstarch in there. Always gotta add a little H2O when you got the cornstarch, you know? Get it cold. Damn. Got that sauce brewing. Now we're just gonna add a little bit of soy sauce to give this baby its flavor. Gotta get the soy sauce out. Let's talk about the southern region of Vietnam now. The warm weather and fertile soil of it allow it to grow a variety of fruits, veggies, and herbs, and livestock, which are prevalent in all of their dishes. They use garlic, shallots, and fresh herbs with almost every dish. They love their seafood due to their vast shoreline, and they're very spicy due to being able to grow all of those different chilies and spices accordingly. Southern Vietnam, they also like their sweetness. They love their coconut in their meals, and it's seen throughout their dishes. Okay, we got the sauce going. Let's give it a little mix in. Where'd my spoon go? Here's my spoon. Give it. There we go. Let's give the viewer a little taste of that. Looking good, eh? Mm-hmm. Okay. Now, we still have to do a little bit with the shrimp. We're gonna have to add some salt, so let's get that salt out. Fink household pantry. Beautiful, of course.
Very nice.
There's the salt. Salt's actually not in here. Interesting. Got the salt right up in this gazelle. So we're gonna use just 1.5, 2 teaspoons, nothing much, just add some flavor to it. Spread it out. Now we're gonna need some more cornstarch, that's what we're gonna need. Throw that in there. Mix this up a little bit. And then, with that cornstarch, we're going to add a little egg white so it gives it that texture, that beautiful texture that you're going to taste in this delicious dish. Bing, boom. Oh, just an egg white though, so you don't want the whole egg, you just want to get the egg white. Got a little bit of egg in there, it's okay though. No biggie. Try and fish that out a little bit. It's okay, just a little bit. Not gonna hurt anybody. Okay. Now let's mix this up a little bit. Get myself another spoon. Let's move on over here. Should be ready for cooking soon. Put that in there. Let's talk about the influences on Vietnamese cuisine. Those have come from 4 main sources. One being the biggest would be China, neighbor, but Vietnam was a colony for over 1,000 years of China. So you think it got some of its cuisine? It did, yeah. And we got the French, who have brought their baguettes, which is the a sandwich, but the Vietnamese have put their own twist on it, and it's frequently eaten at lunch for them. Lunchtime delicacy. Beautiful, love it, great. Indian and Thai were smaller influences, but India, they brought their curry over there, which adds the kick to the dishes and the scent. No, you love it. Boom. So let's see. Right now, I think we can get to the frying part now. Just gonna add some oil to this now. We're gonna need garlic and shrimp. Garlic and let's get some garlic and some. How much time is it left?
This says 8:03.
8:03 left.
It's going up though.
Okay, we have about 20 something minutes, so we need to cut some things short.
How much longer? Like,
You can pause it right now.
alright.